Thanks for watching Win on Your Wedding Day. I'm Robert here with Robert Burns II Photography. In this playlist, you just said yes to your wedding proposal. Congratulations. If you did, you're probably over the moon excited right now. There's probably little I could do to actually contain you and calm you down. And to be honest, I have been engaged before, so I know exactly how that feels. So in this video, what we're going to talk about is what you should do next, because I've been photographing weddings for 5 years, and the first question is, I'm engaged, what do I do now? Like, should we do this? Should we do that? What should we do? When should we start booking? How do we tell our friends and family? Do we go ahead and book the engagement photographer now? What about this as far as the location, XYZ? It's like a million questions because everybody goes through this for the first time. And so this playlist is going to walk you through all of that stuff step by step. So you just got engaged, you just said yes, congrats, watch these videos. So if that is something of interest to you, then go ahead and watch the next videos in this series. Feel free to browse the Win on Your Wedding Day store, where we have all kinds of merch options for you to enjoy. Everything from masks to tote bags, t-shirts, hoodies, coffee cups. Definitely give our site a browse and enjoy what's there for you.